Hello, welcome to APG.Studio and another day. We're celebrating Pawsitivity month campaign, and this is our down dog yoga challenge day 8. So make yourself ready to do some nice stretches right now. Okay, start with your feet hips width apart. Inhale, arms up, and slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale and slowly exhale. Feel the nice stretch in your shoulders, in your chest, your arms. Try to lengthen your spine. When you lift your arms, try to reach really high. As you exhale, slowly relax your shoulders. And now left arm, inhale, exhale to your right. Make sure you're engaging your abdominal muscles and you're squeezing your glutes so you've got good balance. Making movement only from your waist up. Inhale, slowly exhale. And now with your right, keep your right arm straight, relax your left shoulder. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now roll your shoulders backward first. Again, working with your shoulder joints, with your muscles in your chest. And now forward. So you're going to feel the stretch in your upper back. How stiff the muscles are. Can you feel it? And now lift your arms, and as you exhale, slowly bend your knees and fold forward. Roll your arms up, inhale, and slowly exhale. If your knees bend, okay, so it's kind of squat position for your legs. Feel the stretch, glutes, your hamstrings, lower back. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And now place your hands on the floor. Bring your knees down the floor. So you've got hands underneath your shoulders, knees with your hips width apart. And you're trying to lift your knees off the floor just a few inches. Inhale, slowly exhale. If you find you've got more flexibility in your legs and your chest, you're lifting up and pushing back at the same time. Inhale and slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Remember, it's all about finding your strength and working with your limitations. And now rest in child pose. Shake your hands, your wrists. Good breaths. Now I've got your forearms front of you. Going to lift you. You're going to place your left to your side, and when you inhale, lift your arm. Inhale and slowly exhale. Feel nice stretching your upper body, chest and shoulder on your left side. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now your right, left front of you, and you're lifting your right with your chest and shoulder together. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now child pose, and when you inhale, try to rock forward. As you exhale, sit down your heels, or just make this movement as far as you can. Inhale and slowly exhale. Maybe one more. And now slowly, let's lay down your belly, ready for our upward dog preparation. So it could be with your forearms, make sure you're squeezing your glutes. Really strong buttocks muscles. If you're fine to lift higher, hands in line with your shoulders, but wider than your shoulders width apart. Inhale and slowly exhale. Maybe one more, but remember, you can stop anytime. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. Slowly back to the child pose. Maybe hips higher, lower, whatever works for you. Just enjoy the stretch, enjoy the movement. And if your wrist still fine, try another down dog position. This time I'm going to hold and let's march on the spot. Remember, it's not about straight legs or heels on the floor, as you sometimes can see on the pictures on social media. You need a certain flexibility to do that, but the purpose for the pose is to feel the stretch back of your legs, glutes and your lower back. And slowly on your floor, on your belly again. And try a few more. Inhale, lifting your chest, slowly exhale, relax. Forearms still fine, okay? Just respect your body, respect your limitations. Maybe one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Forearms, using the safe transition to support lower back. And child pose again. How are we doing? All good? I hope so. On your floor, and slowly let's stand up. Feet together, lift your arms high. Slowly shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. And now just side to side. Feel this nice stretch in your spine, muscles in your lower back. Okay, so thank you. That was another day with yoga. We really hoping you're all enjoying and having good fun with us. So if you like it, please give us thumbs up, and you can leave it in the comments if you're doing by yourself, or maybe you've got some company next to you. If they are active or just lay down and watch you, you can even send the picture to us. We will find the email and all the details in the video description. So thank you for now, and if you're watching us first time, please subscribe, don't miss any content from my channel. Much more yoga, especially for beginners. So thank you for watching, thank you for joining us, supporting Pawsitivity campaign, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.